And up next, we have how to place a trade in Metatrader 5. So let's say you are looking for how to place a trade on this pair. I'll start with Euro CAD. You can always come here, right click on the chart, you can see trading, sell limits, and more options. There are a lot, so don't get confused. To simplify things, you can open one-click trading. Now you can see we have buy and sell. That means you want to buy or sell. You can change the lot size from here, 0.02, 0.03. I'll use 0.05 and then I'll buy Euro CAD. I accept this prompt that appears the first time we're doing this and you are good to go. Then you come here and you confirm it. You confirm your buy. Okay, now the buy is running over here and you just placed a trade. I'll do the same for Euro to Australian dollar. I'll open my one-click trading, set my lot size, and then buy. Okay, EUR/USD, I'll do the same thing. Open one-click trading and buy, right? Or let me show you another way to buy. Let's say you don't want to use the one-click trading method. You can always come here, this is Euro USD, and you can go to your market watch, select Euro USD. Double-click on it, and it shows volume 0.05. You can increase it here, put your stop loss if you want to, and then buy or sell. I'm going to sell because I've been buying things and you can see it was added, showing me that I'm in a sell position. So all you have to do is double click and it will show you this window so you can buy or sell. Let's do that for GBP/USD also. And I'm also going to sell on GBPUSD. And you can see it has shown me sell 0.1, EUR CAD, buy 0.05. So I've shown you two methods for either buying or selling by double-clicking over here on Market Watch or the Instant Market Execution. See you next on how to view open trades.